welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you an European recipe. I have tried this in my friend's house and I have always loved it. And I mean, if you like potatoes, you would definitely like this recipe. And it is very simple. You can say very simple. We don't need a lot of ingredients, I would say, but it does take a lot of time to make them. And yeah, it is very delicious. Yes, I can guarantee that. It's very delicious. And yeah, let's get started. So I've broken the 2 eggs in the water and I'm just gonna put them in an empty bowl and just mix them really well. Here I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of salt and just mix it again. And I am going to put the flour very slowly because I don't want any lumps. So I'm gonna put like half a cup each time I mix it, and then use my hands because the wooden spoon, whatever you have, is not gonna do the magic. So you really need your amazing hands. Okay, so you need to then use some flour and just put it on the counter so that you can knead it really well, because the flour needs to be amazing. So you gotta put some effort in it. So here you can see that I'm going to use a rolling pin. With the help of the rolling pin, I'm going to roll them. And this one, I mean, you just need it. I don't know what it is, but I just called it a molder. Yes, to mold something. So I'm going to roll it really flat. And after I roll it really well, I'm going to cut it. And I'm just gonna make shapes with this amazing mold. Just cut it very nicely so it doesn't yeah, there you go, beautiful shape. I mean, yeah. So we're just gonna make shapes with that one. It's a lot easier. Actually, this is the first time I'm using that one to make the shapes. Usually I use a glass or a lid of something. So I'm gonna put the shape, the circles, in this one. I'm gonna put some mashed potatoes in it and just close it. I mean, press it well so that you get the exact shape and it sticks together. So with the help of the knife, I am going to just clear everything. There you go. And then boom, the magic happens. You can actually just do it with your hand or press it with a fork, but I thought might as well since I'm recording. So yeah, it looks beautiful, right? So I had left this water to boil, and I am going to put my amazing pierogies inside this boiling water. You have to wait for them to actually boil, and then as soon as you see them rising up, that's your signal that they're done. So you need to dish them out. You can see them right here. They're nicely done. And this is where we're gonna need the onions. I'm gonna saute the onions in olive oil. If you have any other oil, you're free to use whatever oil you have. Just turn them a little goldenish, and then put in your pierogies, and let the pierogies also become golden, as you can see right here. And then that's it. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like this recipe, do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and keep watching my videos. Till next time, ciao!